So in this video, I'm going to explaining about HTML tags, and the first basic tags in HTML is header tags. So in this video, I'm going to give demonstration about the how to use header tags and how do we display the contents. So first we need an editor. So I am choosing here Edit Plus software as the editor to type my HTML programs. So I need to open this editor. In this, I will click on File, New, and I need to select what type of file I need. So my requirement here is HTML. So when I click on HTML, by default, it will display the pages like this. So the default contents are available. So no need to worry about that one. Here, one thing we have to remember, the header information is always embedded in between open head tag and closing head tag, and the main body information we need to embed it in between open body tag and closing body tag. So these things we have to remember, and which things we want to display on the web browser body part, we need to keep that content in between open body tag and closing body tag. So if something is enclosed in between these two angular braces, then it is called as a tag. So in HTML it is called as a tag. So tag is called an instruction to the browser that will tell what to do. Now my aim is I want to display the particular subject name 6 times by using 6 different header levels. So in HTML, we have different header levels called h1 to h6. So first I am using h1 tag, and I want to display the subject name web technologies 5 times. So 6 times h1 to h6. So this simply I'm, instead of typing 6 times, I'm copying 5 more times. I will change later. Okay, so h1, and the next header level is h2, corresponding closing is called h2. H3 is the open tag, next header level tag, and next corresponding closing tag, and next one is h4, and this one is also closing h4. Next one is h5, and this one is also h5, and next one is the last one is h6. See, all these are built-in tags. Okay, they define only H1 to H6. There is no tag called H7, H8, H9 like that. Only they define H1 to H6. H1 will display the highest header level, and H6 will display the least header level. Okay, that means smaller in size. H6 will display the content smaller in size. H1 will display the large content. Okay, so the first requirement is you can remove this one. These things we don't require. These things we don't require. And I will put a title for this one is, this is a demo program about the header tag. So I will keep the title as header tags demo. Okay, and I need to save this program. So I need to save the location. So I already created a directory in D drive, in D drive, in D drive with the name web technologies. So I'm going to save the first file, header file. So header demo.html is the file extension. Okay, header demo.html, where it is going to save under web technologies, which is available in the D drive. So I need to click on save button. Now I need to run this program. So we need to open the directory. So where we saved this application, just now I saved it under D drive. Under web technologies is the folder. See, it will be saved look like this. I given the file name as header demo, and the type of file is HTML. Okay, so to run this program we need to double click on this icon. So if I double click on this icon, then we are able to watch the output. See, so how it looks. Header level 1, this much of size. Header level 2, this much of size. Header level 3, 4, 5 and 6. So which one is displayed the least one? The sixth header level. So which one is displaying the highest one? H1. Okay, if you observe, the default element is on screen left. All the titles are displayed on the left side. Okay, and if you observe, there is a if you see here header if you see my mouse pointer here, something is displayed here, the name of the title bar of the browser, header tags demo. So where I given this header tags demo, I given here. So I kept the title of my web page as header tags demo. That is the reason on browser window it is displayed like this, header tags demo. Okay, And one more observation is the default alignment of all the header tags is left. So the default alignment is on left, and the default font color is black, and these are the default font sizes and font styles. Okay, now I want to change the alignment. I want to, instead of displaying them on the left side of the screen, I want to display in the center of the screen, and again I want to display on the right side of the screen. So for that, we need to add some attributes in our code. Suppose for h1 tag, if I want to get h1 tag content in the center of the screen, then I need to pass an attribute called align, that is expecting three arguments, either left, right, or center. Suppose the default one is nothing is specified, means the default alignment is on left. Other than left, if you want either right or center, we need to specify it explicitly. Suppose I need it in center of the screen, so I need to set the value as center. Okay. Similarly, for H alternative tags, I want to display in the center of the screen. Suppose for h1, h3, okay, h1, h3, and h5. So three on the center of the web page, three on the left side of the web page, left side of the web. So this align is a predefined attribute. See, all these tags are predefined, and these attributes also predefined one. Only thing is whenever we need them, so we need to use in our code based on our project requirement, our application requirement. If you observe, h1 will display in the center of the screen, h3 content is also displayed on the center of the screen, h5 is also displayed on the center. So once we made any changes, we have to save the button, open the browser. So it is displaying the currently previous button, previous output. Now if I click on the refresh button, whatever the changes I made just now, those will be applied on the output. If you see here, so three headings are displayed on the center of the screen, and three headings are displayed on the left side of the screen. Now my next requirement is I am interested to apply some colors to my headings. Okay. So whatever the content I am displaying in this browser, I want to apply some colors. So how can we do it? So that we need to pass style. There is an more attribute called style. So in this style attribute, you need to specify the property name, which property you want to update. I want to update the color property because the default color is black. I so I am I want to apply some other color other than the black. So color name, that is called property name colon, you have to apply some color. Okay. So like this, we need to apply colors for all the tags, all the text. So I need to copy this attribute and its corresponding property and value, and I need to set some color for this. Okay, so first one blue, next one I will change it to some other color like pink. Okay, next one red color, next one any color you can give, any valid color name you can pass. Green, next one aqua blue, that means only aqua is enough, that will apply aqua blue color. And for h6 also we need to apply color because 6 tags are there. Yellow. Okay, so first header level one will be applied blue color, second header level we applied pink color, third header level we applied red color, and fourth header level we applied green color, next one aqua, next one yellow. So once we made any changes, we need to save this. Okay, and open the browser. It is already displayed the previous output. Now if you want to observe the changes what we made, so we need to click on the just refresh button. See how the colors are applied: blue color, pink color, red color, and some other colors. Okay, so like this, we can apply different styles and different alignments. So we observed only alignment as center. If you want to change it to right, also we can apply. In place of center, just we need to assign right. So the align attribute is accepting three values, either left or right or center. If you it is left, no need to specify, but other than left, if you want, you need to specify you want right or you want center. Okay. So I made some changes, so I saved it. Now I open the browser. If I refresh the button, then some few things are displayed on the right side of the screen, you can observe. Okay, so like this we can apply different header levels. So say h1 to h6, h1 is maximum and h6 is minimum. And this is the title tag and this is the header portion. The heading, the browser heading, what you are going to display, which title you want to display, that information inside the body, that means the web page body part, what contents you want to display in this white section. Okay, this blank section, what information you want to display, that you need to keep in between open body tag and closing body tag.